Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G 5G. This is the 2022 version. It is now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone with 5G on it, the Moto G 5G is the phone to check out. So that's the phone there, front and back. It does look very nice. It does have pretty good specs for what it is. So this is the Moto G 5G. This is the 2022 version, like I said. It has a very nice wallpaper there, as you guys will see. Quick specs on the phone: 50 megapixel main camera, 5000 mAh battery, and of course it has 5G on board. I don't know why it has a 1-star on there. I guess someone rated it 1-star because they didn't like the phone or whatever, so it's kind of weird. So the Moto G 5G is now available for $229.99 full retail price, or it's free if you guys switch to Metro. So not bad for a free phone. Like I said, you do get pretty good specs on here. So it says here, upgrade to support speed. It says upgrade to super fast speed with the new Moto G 5G. With lightning fast 5G connectivity, you can stream shows, play games, and view and video chat like never before. Discover new ways to tell your story using the 50 megapixel camera system with dual capture. Go for up to 2 days on a single charge with a 5000 mAh battery, and leave any power worries behind. Enjoy breathtaking ultra wide views on a fast and fluid 6.5-inch 90Hz display, and get plenty of room to hold everything with lots of storage. Move up to the next generation with Moto G 5G. So yeah, the specs on here are pretty good. You guys get 5G, of course, so that's the main selling point of this one. It does have 5G on a budget, so that's very nice. It says 5G speeds for all, 50 megapixel camera system with dual capture, up to 2 days battery life, fast and fluid 6.5-inch 90Hz display, and 64 gigabytes of internal storage. And you do have a micro SD card slot. If you guys want to get more features on the phone, I will have a link to the Moto G 5G page from Motorola, because Metro doesn't want to fucking show features or nothing, so they just skimp out on the features on the page and they just show you guys specs, and that's it. So it's pretty much bare bones. If you guys want to get more information about the Moto G 5G, click the second link down below. So the specs on here, like I said, this is a pretty decent spec sheet here. Okay, and there's some couple of accessories for the Moto G 5G. You can go to Amazon and type in Moto G 5G 2022 to get the accessories there. It's not showing me the specs page here for some goddamn reason. Like I said, if you guys want to get more information about the Moto G 5G, click the second link below, and then take you guys to the Motorola website, which will have more information and specs on the phone. A lot better than Metro has here, so yeah, they need to tighten the fuck up. So I know that this video is probably short, but sorry about that. So yeah guys, so Metro does now have the new Moto G 5G 2022 version. It's now available for free when you guys switch to Metro, or it's $229.99 full retail price. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.